Okay everyone, what's up and welcome back to this video. In today's video we're going to be having a look at Bitcoin and a few altcoins. Before that, let's have a look at the heat map. Everything just turned red in front of my eyes in about a second. I don't know how. Anyways, we got Bitcoin and Ethereum in the green. The rest of the altcoins are, I wouldn't say bleeding, but they are slightly under the water in the red a little bit. So let's have a look at some of the market right now. This is the market currently. Bitcoin in the past 24 hours, of course, up below a percent, as you guys can see, or down, as you would say. In the past 7 days, guys, we are up 30%. That's fantastic, by the way, for Bitcoin. Just letting you guys know. Another coin I want to have a look at is Axie Infinity, a protocol or a gaming platform. You could essentially play this game and earn crypto. Very interesting. It's been destroying the market, so we're gonna have a look at that. Currently a market cap of $2.5 billion, guys, and this thing has just been mooning. So let's dive into Bitcoin real quick and see what's up right now. This was the rejection yesterday we had as soon as Amazon denied, guys. Amazon denied right here at about 40,000. They decided to ruin the fund. They decided to ruin the hype. They denied that Amazon would accept crypto or Bitcoin as a payment. That was kind of unfortunate, but it's okay. Bitcoin's still in the green right now. We are pumping right now 3% approximately. So let's start off with the EMA ribbon, see what's up, what we can do over here with the exponential moving average. So we actually came back down and almost retested these EMA ribbons, guys. This is very good news, and I'll tell you guys why. Because now we are actually above the exponential moving average, and before that we've been supported by the EMA in the whole bull run. So can this be a start of a new bull run, not only for Bitcoin but for all the altcoins right now? When was the last time we saw altcoins and crypto essentially explode like this, like essentially all in the green? It's been a while, guys, and something I want to have a look at is the Bitcoin dominance real quick, because the Bitcoin dominance is important. We are floating right now at around the 48, so this is some resistance. If we manage to break above this resistance, the Bitcoin dominance, we're going to see a lot of money flow into Bitcoin. Altcoins will bleed against Bitcoin. Yes, that doesn't mean they're going to bleed against the dollar, no, but we will see more money essentially flown, increase and go inside Bitcoin. Maybe 20% before we see another alt season. I don't see another alt season happening before we see Bitcoin reach 60, between 50 and 60 again, 57 and 60, these two lines. So in my opinion, Bitcoin is a good investment or a better investment right now before altcoins. And then after that, when we reach 457, you can essentially start putting your money into altcoins. That will be my gaming plan in the next couple of weeks, depending on what happens. But it seems like Elon Musk and Cathie Woods and Jack essentially brought this crypto market back to life. So having a look at this on the 4-hour time frame, look at that. We came back, retouched that EMA level essentially. Now having a look at the RSI, guys, we are seeing some sort of bearish divergence right here. Let me have a look. So we are seeing this increase right here. So this was the bearish divergence we were looking at, and unfortunately a decrease on the RSI, guys. That's a very bearish news. You could even see it like that. No, it was actually like that. That's pretty we saw this decline, yes, but in my opinion, if we have another high right here like this at approximately $40,000 and this the RSI doesn't go above, then it's going to be still active and the bearish divergence is still going to be valid. So these are key points that I'm going to be looking at, to be honest, to see what happens and if we should either take a short or essentially sell our position. Another coin I want to have a look at, guys, is ADA Cardano. We're seeing this nice little beautiful V recovery shape. Of course, this was the rejection when Bitcoin fell down. We saw this was when Amazon, of course, got rejected Bitcoin, but we are seeing this support hold pretty nicely. And last time I made a Cardano video, I did say that it wouldn't go below this because, I mean, at least for now, because of this, unless Bitcoin goes down, because of the strong support right here. So Cardano is a very good investment in my opinion. Of course, none of this is financial advice. I think Cardano is a good investment for me. You can decide whether it's a good investment for you. This was the rejection that we got also yesterday, right at the resistance when Amazon came out with the negative news. So in my opinion, if we manage to break above that, we should see a retest at 139, 140 before continuing up. Of course, everything's going to depend on Bitcoin and what it does in the future. Or actually in the short term, in the next couple of weeks, in my opinion. Having a look at AXS, guys. AXS, this gaming platform, you could earn Bitcoin, cryptos, whatever you want, Ethereum, by just playing this game. Of course, you need to pay a little bit. But guys, this thing has been going parabolic ever since right here. We were in a bear market on the 24th of June, and this thing exploded 1,500%. This is a crazy investment. We are seeing a few waves right here. So assuming that this is an Elliott wave, right? Where's my Elliott wave thing? Okay, so an Elliott wave pattern consists of essentially five waves. Okay, this would be the first wave. We got the second wave, which is the correction. The third wave, we got a correction, and then this can be the fifth wave, fifth and final wave before we see an ABC correction essentially. So I wouldn't be surprised if we go to 59, even yes, between $60. Would not be surprised if we go to $60 before seeing a nice little ABC correction to approximately $30. An ABC correction usually happens after the Elliott wave, so we got 1, 2, 3, and then it's usually something like this. Okay, so that would be the ABC correction for this. I would not be surprised if this happens. Would I be putting money into this? No, definitely not. I would like to see a nice little correction before things happen. In my opinion, once the Bitcoin market does resume, I don't think that we're gonna this coin is gonna explode anytime. There's just a lot of hype right now. So that being said, guys, be careful, and that's it. If you guys like this video, of course, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.